Welcome to Color of Hope. My name is Ed Shakespeare. It is a pleasure to have you here with me. It is often said that love without action is meaningless, while many of us can't wait for May 18 to flash our Haitian flag and display our pride all over our belongings. That love for Haiti seems to have its limits. While we do take care of our individual families, who is taken care of in Haiti, some would say, are we taking care of Haiti, or who is taking care of Haiti? When you ask the question, many would answer it by saying, the Haitian government. Then the question remains, when we say we love Haiti, what comes to mind? What do we see? Whatever that picture is that comes to your mind, hope it's a greener Haiti with sufficient resources to feed all of its people. It will require a collective effort from all of us. The idea to create a fund to mobilize the Haitian diaspora and Haiti's friend to pull together some of its resources to assist more effectively in Haiti has been very well received. However, action shows otherwise, much like when we say we love Haiti. This brings us to our topic and question for today, which is, if you, like many of us, like myself as well, who say, I love Haiti, would you be willing to contribute 1% of your earnings into a fund to help the Haiti that you love, that I love as well? Well, to discuss this, none others than our own Osmosis. Osmosis, it's a pleasure to have you here with us.
It's a pleasure to be here, brother.
All right, so I know you're not a math teacher, so I just want to get an idea of what do you think 1% looks like for the person who's listening to us out there, like many of us, like myself as well, who's not so mathematically inclined.
I don't think it's much, but it depends. So for somebody who's not making a lot, it's not a lot,
Okay.
But maybe somebody is making six figures. Could be a very reasonable amount of money.
All right. So I guess you're saying it all depends, huh?
Absolutely.
All right, in the opening,
And
go ahead.
It's all about how you measure. Since you going by percentage, so you're measuring. But
Yeah. All right. So what you? I mean, give it to us how you really feel. I mean, are you saying that maybe it is a lot of money depending on how much the person is making, right?
What I'm saying is, whatever you do, it's a lot of the time it's about interest and it's about your conviction, your beliefs, and that's how you decide to spend or to support certain things.
Yeah.
So now, that's how I support things. And first of all, I want to question where my money is going.
Exactly.
And then I want to question the people in charge. If these people have track records that I can really, I can look at to see what they've done. If they, whatever they say, I could take it as credible.
Yeah.
I can support whatever interest or mission they carry out. Or, it's very important because then we all can say we love Haiti, but at the end of the day, my love in Haiti might be different from your love in Haiti.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying to you?
Yeah. Well, you kind of get to the heart of one of the things that we want to kind of discuss here, which is, when we ask the question, we also ask, what would be your requirements? And some of your requirements you just mentioned here would be, making sure that the organization or the people that you're giving the money to can be trusted. What are a couple of things that people should be looking if they decide to go that route?
People should spend money based on, let's say I believe in something to be done in Haiti, then I support whatever it is I believe to be done. If what's more important to me is education, then I support education. Let's say whatever projects being put together for education, to further education, to enhance education. I support that. My passion might be music. If it's something about then if something about music, then I invest in music. You understand me? and just like I said, it varies.
Yeah, I mentioned in my opening the May 18th celebration.
Mhm.
Like how much of it is real love and how much of it is just following a tradition, especially for our youth here in the Haitian diaspora. Do you think?
I think they're being misled for the most part. The children are being misled because even those people that carry out this flag, they don't have the educational background even about the history of the flag or the history of the Haitian independence itself.
Yeah.
They don't have a very sophisticated understanding of the meaning of it. You understand what I'm saying? So it becomes purely business. So it's just another financial. It's just another way to make money. So most of these kids that don't know better, they just be fascinated. I guess they're jumping on the bandwagon
Yeah.
because now it's so cool to be Haitian now. So Haitian, the name Haitian and Haiti is being repeated over rap music. And I guess that's where they feel like they somehow made it.
Yeah.
So they have this celebrated sentiment. They have feeling celebrated, and they feel like they accomplished something. They have this sense of pride they never had before. So but as far as love, I don't know the meaning of love. People would have to define that. But I know what's real, what's not. You understand me?
Yeah. Well, I mean that get us to really the other question when we say we love Haiti, especially for us here in the Haitian diaspora or the youth as well. What do you think many of us see, or what should we see when we say we love Haiti? Is it our family members or the physical look of Haiti? What should we see? What should we look for?
It depends. Like for me myself, it's the future of Haiti, and to have a Haiti that's safe for everyone, a Haiti that provides the same opportunity for everyone. The landfill of opportunities must be level for everyone. And Haiti that protect its citizens. That's the Haiti that I look for. That's the Haiti I look for. I don't get into the emotional stuff. I'm more about creating a stable political environment and economic environment where the country can prosper and become self-sufficient, self-independence, the purely self-independence. So that's the Haiti that I see. And then once you have that, everything else will be easier to accomplish. You understand me? So.
So if I hear you correctly, that when we say or we are celebrating, Flag Day, there's a whole lot of things that we should be looking for and saying we love Haiti, not or are you saying it depends on what the person's looking for in Haiti?
Yeah, it depends on the person's interest and what the person see. The person, what Haiti means to that person. Haiti to some people it might just mean just go and have a good vacation. Haiti to some people might be okay. Just make sure we have the Haiti that reflect the freedom, the light of freedom shining. Or a place where the world can look up to. That's why Haiti was supposed to be. Have this liberty, like the Statue of Liberty. That's Haiti. When I look at the Statue of Liberty, I'm like, we deserve that because we fought for that. Shed blood for this. And then it's for a whole race we did it. Haiti was the first independent black republic. What does that really mean? This really means a lot in terms of liberty. So it's all about the person itself. It's all about the person, really. But it would be better to have a collective definition, to have a collective agenda. Then we know we can accomplish greater things.
I absolutely agree with you, but there's something you mentioned earlier there that I kind of want to revisit a little bit. Can you truly love something that you don't know? When, as we mentioned, many kids here who are going to the festivities during the May 18th don't really know Haiti. As you know, we had the show How Haitian Are You, and you did the music for it. And we would go to May 18th celebration, and you would ask some of these people there, who is the president in Haiti right now? and they just don't know. And you would ask them like simple question with regards, about Haiti, and they just don't know. So I guess going back to what you said earlier, the whole, which is the only thing we have here for specifically for Haitian Americans, that we do celebrate and openly really, is May 18th. Can we truly love Haiti? I mean, regardless if it's with our pocket or not, without really knowing Haiti, without really knowing what Haiti needs?
That's a very profound question, and I don't think I'm in a position. Let's say if I was, facing judgment, then I would probably say, no, you can't really love something you don't know. Maybe you're infatuated about it, or maybe, but you we didn't know it. But a lot of times, we might not. The people, sometimes knowing something is good, but when you were born, something is inside of you, something else too. You understand me?
Yeah.
So now, you might not, some people might never been in Haiti. Some children grow up here, never been in Haiti. But, some of the values that, grew up on, they're very Haitian. They might not know, specifics when it comes to the history of the country or, or the culture. But it's within. You understand me?
Yeah.
So maybe I'm being a little contradictory. Maybe sometimes you can do love something you don't know, maybe, or maybe that's why you love it because you really don't know it. you understand me? So just to really like what I'm saying is, it's like there's no yes or no answers. These questions are things that need to be, discuss and it will balance things out. You understand what I just said right now, right?
Yeah,
maybe the love might be just a curiosity.
Well, then that love, as you're saying, if it's just a curiosity, it should push you to find out more about that thing that you think you love or you think you know.
I agree. And but now this is the problem. You have when you have the kids who have developed that curiosity now. The responsibility of leaders to take this opportunity to teach them, to challenge them to investigate more. You understand me?
Yeah.
People in positions, people that are in positions, they're supposed to be doing that. So now the kids, they overwhelmingly they go to support like events during May 18th. They go to all these festivals. These festivals should use the opportunity to teach them, about the why we having such events. Or things like that.
Yeah, I agree. So in a sense, do you have the feeling that we, as the Haitian diaspora, especially the youth here, we have to rethink Haiti in a sense of the way we have been loving Haiti?
I'll put it this way: it's like everyone to know who you are, or for everyone to know who she is or who he is,
Yeah.
That should be one's responsibility to find out, dig, and know who you really are.
Yeah.
Because knowing who you really are, then you will really know about Haiti. You understand me?
Yeah.
Just dig, and really trying to understand your background, what your background is, like your history. Every progressive community, or progressive, people, they know of their past.
Yeah.
One of the biggest problems we have, we don't educate our children about our past. Like the elders don't do that. Like if I didn't really go out of my way to learn about, a lot of things about Haiti, I wouldn't have known about them.
Yeah.
Like my parents, they're maybe not educated enough to transfer these things to me, but a lot of time there's this sense of guilt and shame they share,
Yeah.
So a lot of parents over here in the States, they share these guilt and they carry these things, so that's why they don't want to expose their children to the Haitian culture fully,
Wow.
for good and bad.